Hello fun and learning student of class 10th. In this video we will start our chapter 2, that is sector of the Indian economy. So as the chapter name, sector of the Indian economy. So first we need to understand what is sector and what is Indian economy. Before going deep into the chapter, I have discussed the in previous chapters about resources, that is what are resources, anything which we use for the development, that is known as resources. And basically natural resources are available in the nature. With the help of these natural resources, people utilize these resources for their development. These are all things we have discussed in the previous chapters. Now first we take what is sector. So around your neighborhood or by your experience, that if you see that people are engaged in different type of activities, they do perform different type of thing. Suppose that if you go into the village area, you will find people are engaged in the agriculture activity, in animal rearing activity. If you go in the mountainous region, you will find some people are engaged in the mining sector. If you go in the cities, you will find some people are working in the factories, some people are working in the offices, some are working in the school, some are working in the bank, some are working in different type of sectors. They are practicing in the hospitals, healthcare sector. These are different type of sector where people are working. These are known as sectors. So sector means grouping the economic activities which you all around see around yourself according to a specific criteria. These are known as sector. Got it? Grouping of the economic activity according to some criteria is known as sector. Suppose someone is working in the hospital, so what you will say, he is working in the health sector. Suppose someone is working in the banks, so you will say he is working in the banking sector. Suppose someone working in the village area in agriculture production, you will say that he is working in the agriculture sector. Suppose someone is working in the coal field, coal mine, you will say he is working in the coal mining sector. Suppose someone working in your offshore oceans and catching fishes, so you will say he is working in the fishing sector. So these, according to the profession and occupation, these are we group these sectors. So this is the sector. So I think you have understood the topic sector, and different people are working in a different according to their occupation. This is known as your sector. So utilization of natural resources depend upon man's occupation. Whatever the occupation a man adopt, according to which natural resources he uses it because of his occupation. And man adopt different occupation to fulfill his needs. Because man fulfill his needs, so he adopt the different types of profession, and that's why man is working in the different type of sector. So these sectors, that this occupation that people are working in different sector, can be divided into three important sector, that is primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector. So we will discuss in the next video what is primary, secondary, and tertiary sector. In this video, I think you have understood the topic sector. People are working in different type of sector. So thank you, student. Thank you very much.